If you want to change the password of your Apple ID on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus, so in this video I will give you two methods on how to do that. For the first method, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on your Apple ID. From here, just tap on Sign In and Security, then tap on Change Password. Now you will receive a verification code on the phone number which is linked to your iCloud. Now after you receive the verification code, just enter it in this section. Now after that, just wait for a few seconds. Now in this section, just enter your current iCloud account password. Now after you enter your current passcode, now in this section, just enter your new passcode. Then in this section, just enter your new passcode one more time to confirm your passcode. Now after you confirm your new passcode, then tap on Done. And after you do that, you will successfully change the password of the Apple ID on your iPhone. Now, this was the first method. Now, for the second method, just open the Safari web browser. Then in the search bar, just search this appleid.apple.com. Now, from here, just sign into your Apple account. Tap on Sign In. Now, from here, just enter your current password of your Apple ID. Then tap on Sign In. Now from here, under the Sign In and Security section, just tap on Password. Now in this section, just enter your current password. After that, just create your new password. And over here, just confirm your new password. And after you do that, then simply tap on Done, and you will change the password of your Apple ID on your iPhone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.